is Dr. Arti Bakshi. Welcome to Learning Skills for Life. Have you ever had a fun idea like drawing together? So here is how it goes. You take a sheet of paper and without talking, you draw something. Then you pass it on to the other family member and they draw another. Now in your mind, when you started the drawing, you had an idea that this is what the painting would look like. But it comes out to be totally different. And after it's made, you can even put a little glass around it, maybe frame it and put it up. You could even just take a magnet and put it on the fridge. It goes the same way when we decorate our home. Maybe you want your room done up in a certain way and all the family members come and support you. Or have a fun thing like dividing your family into teams and playing games together. When was the last that you played board games or had fun doing things like obstacle race? All these ideas for fun is what makes family time exciting. So do remember to try out all of them. Welcome aboard and let's go on this beautiful learning journey.